Hi, I'm Night Dragon 348 and I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. Now, in this video, I'll be showing you the beginner's method of solving the cube, which is just solving each layer at a time. But in future videos, I'll show the advanced method of F2L. Now, there are a couple of basic steps in solving this. The first is when it's scrambled, you want to get the cross, then you have to solve the corners, then you have to solve the second middle layer. Then you do OL, which orients the last layer so the color faces up. And then you do PL, which permutes the pieces so they're in the right place, which therefore solves the cube. Now, before you solve this cube, there are a couple of things you need to know. First of all, the centers. The centers do not move, which means that they give away the piece. For example, this place the center is red, so the color for this side is red. In this case, the center is orange, so the color is orange. Pretty simple. The last thing I have to go is algorithms and notations. Algorithms are a series of moves designed to get pieces into specific places. So and the notations are how to get them. For example, if I say R, you turn the right layer. If it's L, you turn the left layer. If it's U, then you turn the layer on top. Now, if I put an apostrophe or an I above it, it means you do that layer except clockwise. For example, this is U and this is UI. This is R and this is RI. And then if the letter is lowercase, which that means you turn the first two layers. For example, this is F, this is lowercase f, the first two layers. This is U, this is the lowercase u. It's pretty simple. Now let's actually get on to solving the cube. First step is to scramble. Now, the first step in solving is solving the cross. In this case, I'm just going to start off with blue because I just like to start off random. Now, if you look at a lot of other videos, they usually start in white and yellow. So the reason why I'm starting in blue is because I'm trying to get the message that you should be color neutral. You should start on any color, and whichever one can provide the easiest case. Now, in this case, there's already an edge with blue. In this case, it's the blue-yellow edge, so you just turn this top layer until this yellow aligns with a yellow center. That's yellow and white. That's yellow and red. That's yellow and yellow. So these two edges align. So that's one edge piece in your 4-edge piece cross. Now, the next step you usually should do is look directly below. Let's see. Okay, we have an edge which is directly below that. What we do is we look at the bottom layer. In this case, it's blue and red edge. So you turn it until the blue and red align with another red center. In this case, it's right here. Red, red, blue. So then what you do is you turn this top layer up. As you can see, it aligns. And now you have two wedge pieces. Now let's look for some more. There are no more in the bottom, so we have to look in the side. We'll just do this one. It's red and white. Now, when it's in the bottom, you first turn this bottom layer so it's right below in the right position. What this means is it's blue white and has to go here, so it's right below. Now, you can't just turn it up because then it's flipped wrong. So what you do is you turn it so it's on your side, on your right side. Doesn't matter if it's on your right or left. Yes, it does. Then as you can see, this blue and white edge piece has to go here, but there's a red and white edge piece, so you want to replace that edge with this. So you turn it so this edge is right above this. You turn this right layer so it replaces that edge, then you turn it back so it aligns. Now let's look for our last edge. that case, it's blue. So it's blue and orange. So you turn it so it's right below the blue and orange edge where it has to go. This case, it has to go here. So what you do is you turn it so it's on your side. And then now you can't just turn it up and then place it because then you mess up the other edge. So what you do is, in this case, it has to go here, and but right there there's a green and yellow edge, so you turn it so it's right above, you put it up, bring it back, and that solves your cross. We have the blue, white, and red corner. So first we have to locate where that has to go. So it has to go here, and to be the blue, white, and red corner. So you can't just move it up like that. So what we do is, in this case, we hold it to the corners on your bottom left. We move these two layers back, move it up, and then bring them back, and that places the corner without messing anything up. Now, occasionally you're gonna get cases like this where the corner part is facing down, see? Now, when we do it like that, we can't just do it like that. So what we do is, we first need to get it so it's oriented, so it's in this bottom layer. What we do is, you hold it so this corner is on your bottom right, then you do this algorithm, F, D2, F prime. And then, as you can see, the corner is in this bottom layer. Then we just do what we did before. We locate where it has to go, blue, orange, white, blue, orange, white. Then we just move these two layers back, push this up, and bring it back. And that's how you do it. And now, we might also get a case where the corner is in the right place, but it's flipped wrong. What you do is, in this case, you just hold the corner on your right, you move this layer down, push this corner aside by moving the down layer, put it back up, and then do what we did before. You move it so it's right below where it has to go, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. Then you move these back two layers back, push this up, and bring it back forward. And that is how you solve the first two layers. The first layer, sorry. And now, in the next part, which I'll put a link below, we'll solve the second layer.